Nice early start in the rain here in Windermere. Unfortunately, the rider today has dropped out due to COVID, so yours truly has been put forward to take his place, and I'll be riding up to Moffat in Scotland, about 90 miles through some hilly Lake District countryside. GAC UK has their head office in Grangemouth in Scotland, and we have offices across Scotland. It's really the spiritual home of GAC UK, and it's going to be a great honour to take the Baton over the border from England into Scotland later on. The last 2 years almost, with COVID, has been a big impact on all of our lives, and throughout that, GAC has stepped up to the plate, met customer requirements, customer demands, and been able to carry on delivering through this very turbulent times. So, you know, we're here carrying this baton, stepping in through COVID again, and bringing it up to COP26.